पळोवंक शकता की आमच्या अशे तरेन की गांडूळ खत कशें तयार केलें वता आनी हें गांडूळ खत आमी ह्या रोपांक लावन ऑर्गेनीक फार्मींग ट्राय करता. आमी फर्टिलायझर खंयचेच यूज करना सो दॅट आमकां जें कितें मेळटा आमच्या प्लेटीन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ड्युरींग आर हॅवींग टायम सो इट वील बी free from all the chemicals and it will definitely help us in inculcating all the healthy five concept. So let us live healthy and grow healthy because finally our nature is our best teacher. Thank you. Priya Navelkar, teacher from Sri Ram Vidya Mandir, Kolwale, and we are glad and I hope you all can see our enthusiastic farmers working in this field and growing all the types of vegetables, organic vegetables. Okay, so the main aim of growing this is to grow healthy and fresh vegetables which we can actually have in our day-to-day life, and these vegetables are absolutely chemical free. We are trying to grow organic vegetables and तुम्ही पळयलें आसतलें हांगा तुमकां दिसता की आमी मिरच्यो लायल्या, कांद्याची पात लायल्या, मुळो लायला, ब्रिंजॉल दिस इज फूल which is covered with brinjal, chilies, okay, and नाब आसा भितर कोथिंबीरूय घातला. So the main motto of doing this or cultivating this is to bring out awareness among these all youngsters of our future country, to inculcate all the habits of agriculture so that they can use all those tools which are available nowadays and they can grow skillful vegetables, okay, and they can have a very healthy and healthify life because healthify is a very recent concept which is going on, and I am really grateful for Halankar Education Society, Sir Nilkan Halankar and Madam Madhavi Halankar for giving us this opportunity and making us go in the field and work. Actually, whatever we learn in the classroom is not sufficient. We could come here and practically practice this on field every day. We are coming, watering, removing all the weeds, and all these procedures are being taught to this young generation day by day. And I am also thankful to Patanjali Seva Samiti who has given us this opportunity, and this is also a part of Amcha Mala competition which is happening all over Goa individually in all the schools, and we are also a part of it. Along with this, Zonal Agriculture Office MAPSA has given us a variety of hybrid seeds through which we can cultivate nice vegetables and get a good yield. And basic aim of this is not just to cultivate vegetables organic and then have it, also to get a एक बिजनस लायनूय मेळूंक शकता. सो ताका लागून आमी एक प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा सो दॅट दे वील हॅव सम स्किल्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर फार्मींग एज वेल इन नियर फ्युचर. आनी एज यू ऑल नो आमचा भारत देश कृषी प्रधान देश. सो जय जवान जय किसान इतलेंच हांव सांगता. थँक्यू.